Yo, what's good, fam? You ready to jump into the future of 3D modeling? I'm an Epic Games authorized instructor for teaching Unreal Engine, and today I'm excited to show you some things about AI-generated 3D models. Alright, quick backstory. I've been an architect and 3D designer for like 25 years, but lately I've been geeking out over AI-generated models. It's like magic, bro. Seriously, you feed an image to an AI, and boom, it spits out a 3D model ready for Unreal Engine. Sounds crazy, right? But it's real, and today I'm gonna show you how to do it in less than 10 minutes. No lie, we're gonna use Adobe FireFly to generate an image, Rodin to turn it into a 3D model, and Unreal Engine to bring it all together. By the end of this, you'll have a VR-wearing gecko chilling in Unreal. Cool, right? Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's get to it. First stop, Adobe FireFly. This is where the magic begins, fam. Head over to Adobe FireFly's site. If you don't have an account, no worries, just sign up. You can even use your Google creds to log in. Easy peasy. Once you're in, let's create our image. Type something like here, into the prompt box. Hit generate, and watch the AI work its magic. Boom! You've got a dope-looking gecko ready to rock. Pick the image you like best, download it, and save it somewhere handy. This is going to be the foundation of our 3D model. Alright, now it's time to turn that flat image into a fully fledged 3D model. Let's hop over to Rodin. Go to hyper3d.ai and fire up Rodin. This tool is straight up wizardry, fam. Sign in, like in my case, with Google. And here we go. We're inside. Click on I accept. Here we can choose various type of settings. In our case, just click on Sign Plus. Upload the gecko image you just created and let Rodin do its thing. In my case here, our image is correctly uploaded, as you can see. Now, just hit generate. Let's wait for the generative process to finish. It might take a few seconds, but no longer than that. We're almost there. It's finishing up some last little operations. I'm dying of anticipation. Incredible! It brought the 3D from what was originally 2D input. Don't ask me how it did it. I'm literally speechless. I have to say, it made it pretty accurate too. I think this can be called a miracle or something like that. When it asks if you want to try the pro version, say yes. Don't worry, it's free for this workflow, and it gives you access to all the cool features. No credit card required, no sneaky fees, just pure AI goodness. Our gecko looks pretty accurate and ready to be used in virtual worlds, maybe even inserted into a game. Why not? In our case, we'll just feed it into the world of Unreal Engine. We've done a quick overview of this tool, which definitely deserves some more detailed deep dive. Now it's your turn. Don't let me down, and if you discover something interesting, make sure to write it in the comments. I'll definitely check it out. Now it's time to apply the diffuse texture to our model. The decay texture is more than enough. If you want to add extra information for the material generation, go ahead. In our case, we'll just tell it to use a skin like the one in the uploaded image. Hit generate. Enable face restore. This is able, once it recognizes the face of your model, to add details. Weird stuff that only AI can do. Hit generate. Let's wait for the generation to finish. You have nitrogen monoxide idea how anxious I am to see the result. All of this is incredible. Now our creature has an accurate skin as well. Once Rodin finishes processing, Download the model in GLB format. GLB is like the universal language of 3D models. It works perfectly with Unreal Engine. Oh, and while you're at it, grab the skin and materials too. For this project, I went with a 2K resolution. It's more than enough for a gecko this size. And just like that, you've got a 3D model ready to roll. When the process is complete, you can either download the model or publish it if you want. In our case, we'll obviously download it. What you see is the downloaded content. Just take a moment to organize it into folders, and we'll be ready to feed it into Unreal. Pretty wild, huh? Alright fam, let's bring this gecko into Unreal Engine. Here's how we do it. Fire up the Epic Games launcher. You know the drill. It's the same app where you grab Fortnite. Hit it up and let's get moving. Once you're in, check the top right corner. You'll see the latest version of Unreal Engine set as your default. Click on it to launch Unreal. Boom, easy peasy. Now let's make a new project. Scroll through the templates and pick the blank template. Name it something simple like Gecko FireFly. Set the folder path where you want to save it and hit Create. Unreal will do its thing and boot up the project. Finally, we're inside Unreal Engine. The last step for this tutorial is to bring our model into this fantastic world, which is, of course, Unreal Engine. Importing the gecko model into Unreal Engine. Alright fam, let's get this gecko into Unreal. Import the GLB file. In the content browser, right-click and select Import. Grab the GLB file you downloaded from Rodin and drop it in. Unreal will handle the rest. Adjust materials and textures. Once the model's imported, apply the skin and materials you generated earlier. This is where the magic happens. The gecko goes from flat to fully textured in seconds. Play around with the lighting to make it pop. Place the gecko in the scene. Drag the gecko into the scene and position it wherever you want. Maybe put it on a desk or a platform like it's hanging out in a virtual world. Alright fam, that's the end of this quick and easy tutorial. You've gone from zero to hero, AI-generated image, 3D model via Rodin, and now a fully realized scene in Unreal Engine, all in less than 10 minutes. Boom! And seriously, this is just the beginning. You can take this workflow and apply it to anything. Characters, props, environments. The possibilities are endless. Adobe FireFly plus Rodin plus Unreal Engine. That's the dream combo for creating next-level content. If you enjoyed this, drop a comment or hit me up. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, let me know. I'm always here to help you level up your skills. Thanks for hanging with me today, fam. Keep grinding, stay creative, and most importantly, have fun. Catch you in the next one. Peace.